Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit your job alerts on LinkedIn. This is useful if you want more relevant job recommendations, fewer notifications, or alerts that better match your current goals. So firstly, click on Jobs in the main menu. Then from here, choose Preferences, which is where LinkedIn lets you control how job recommendations and alerts are handled. And from here, you can see this Job Alerts section. So click on it, and from here you can manage your job alerts in one place. So I have already one. So this is my job alert, a content creator, which is a good example of how LinkedIn tracks specific roles you're interested in. So you can manage it by clicking on this pencil. From here, you can choose alert frequency. So you can choose daily if you want to stay on top of new postings, or weekly if you prefer fewer notifications and less inbox clutter. Then you can choose notification type, so email and notification, or you can just select only email or only notification, depending on how you like to stay updated and how often you check LinkedIn. You can also enable this Get Notified of Similar Jobs, so you can turn this on to discover related roles you might not have searched for directly. You can also delete your job alert from here if it's no longer relevant, and then click Save to apply your changes. And that's it for this video. You now know how to edit and manage your job alerts on LinkedIn. If this helped you get more relevant opportunities without extra noise, give the video a like. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.